In today's video, I will show you how I solved the new machine Stardust from HackMyVM. As always, I started by scanning ports using Nmap. Nmap only found two open ports, SSH and HTTP, so I went straight to the website. I came across an issue tracking and service desk solution called GLPI. Before attempting to bypass the login panel, I searched for default credential for this system. I found several sets of credentials, and I tried the super admin role, which allowed me to successfully log in with that user. So there was no need to try to exploit the login panel. Inside the system, the first thing I noticed was 15 tickets. So I decided to investigate those first before looking for vulnerabilities related to GLPI. The title of the first ticket on the list was No Intranet Access, which gave me some clues. Indeed, I discovered the address of an intranet in that ticket. This intranet is used for uploading files to the company's shared server. So I tried to upload a PHP file to execute remote commands on the server and gain access to the machine. I manipulated the content type, magic number, and htaccess for this purpose. Having access to the system, I found another user, so I used Hydra to brute force the password. Hydra easily found the password, and I was able to access the system as the user tally. After researching and not finding anything, I use a script to monitor change in the system process to see if the root user has any scheduled task. Thanks to this script, I discovered that the root user runs the Meteo script in the opt directory. This script takes the latitude and longitude from the config file, sends it through a queue request to the meteo.conf API, and checks if the response from that request is greater than the predefined limit of 1000. If it's greater, it backups the root directory. So the mission was to modify the config file to make the script perform the backup and gain access to the contents of the root directory to obtain the flag. That's how I solved the Stardust machine from HackMyVM. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Until next time.